video, we examine the top 10 African nations with the largest aircraft fleets, based on Global Firepower's assessment. Note that this data does not include aircraft currently under development or scheduled for delivery in the near future. African countries with the largest military aircraft fleet in 2024. Libya takes the 10th spot with an impressive 132 aircraft in its fleet. Nigeria ranks 9th, boasting over 147 aircraft, with an additional 50 planes expected to join its fleet soon. Tunisia secures the 8th position, with 155 aircraft at its disposal. Kenya comes in 7th, operating an impressive fleet of over 158 aircraft. Sudan takes the 6th spot with 170 aircraft in its fleet. South Africa ranks 5th, boasting an impressive 194 aircraft. Morocco claims the 4th position with an extensive fleet of over 255 aircraft. Angola takes the 3rd spot, operating an impressive fleet of over 297 aircraft. Algeria secures the 2nd position with a remarkable 605 aircraft. Egypt takes the top spot, proudly owning the largest aircraft fleet in Africa with an astonishing over 1,080 aircraft.